Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for this affordable eye look. We're going to start off with our face. I'm going to go in with my face primer. This one is by MAC Cosmetics and I absolutely love how smooth this makes my skin. It makes the foundations and all the products go on nice and smooth. Then I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is step 1 to your foundation routine. I don't use this as a foundation and it's not meant to be a foundation, but just something that gives you a nice glow from within kind of a look. I'm going to smooth that out with my Beauty Blender. And then I'm going to go in with my Lancôme makeup stick. This one is a nice full coverage creamy stick foundation and I absolutely love it because it blends out and looks like skin, and that is what I always look for in my foundation products. I'm once again blending this all out with my Beauty Blender, applying most of the product to the center of my face and then blending out towards my hairline. For my eyes, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow primer that I've been reaching for lately because it is just really great for blending out eyeshadows. And this eyeshadow palette is another affordable eyeshadow palette. It is once again by Color Story. You can find their products in Target. This is not sponsored or anything. I just really love these palettes. I'm going to go in with this clay brown eyeshadow and I'm going to use that as my crease transition color. So this is going to be the lightest of the darker shades that are going on my eye. I like to apply that color first and blend it out a little bit up towards my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with an even darker color. I would describe this one as a brick red, and I'm taking with a more precise blending brush because I want this color to be just in my crease and on my lash line. As you can see, I'm angling my brush on an angle to get it nice and close to my lash line without spreading the color all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer and a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to carve out the inner corners of my crease. This is really important to go nice and slow because wherever you put the concealer, it's going to go and cover up any of the eyeshadow work you have done. So you want to make sure you move nice and slow so that you can be super precise and get this only where you want it. Now I'm just blending where that concealer meets the darker eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines of demarcation. The best way I found to do it is just to tap, tap, tap. Now I'm going to go in with Marigold, and it's just a very soft yellow gold and it has a bit of shimmer, so it's perfect for your inner corners. And I'm just tapping that right onto the concealer so that I don't go outside the lines. I'm also moving very slowly, so this might take a little bit of time, but it is very important. I feel like a lot of people feel they can't do a look, and it's probably just that you're moving a little too quickly. If you take your time, you can definitely do it. So if you're pressed for time, skip this look. Now I'm just doing little circles to blend it all together, and then I applied my lashes and my eyeliner off screen because that's a whole other kind of video. If you guys would like to see an eyeliner video, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'm just finishing off my face by applying my concealer underneath my eyes. I like to save this for last because just in case I need to clean up any fallout, you don't want to have to start your concealer all over again. I'm going in with my Becca Pink Haze product. You guys already know. And if you don't know, this is my favorite product. I'm now carving out my face because foundation can leave your face a little bit flat, so you want to put the dimensions back in by applying your contour products. Now we're going to go in with my Covergirl TruBlend highlight product, and this product is absolutely amazing. I used to go hard with this and then I forgot about it and then I found it, so welcome back. to my YouTube channel. I will be definitely using this product a lot, so stay tuned. Now for the underneath of my eyes, I just mirror the top, so I went in with my crease color and then a brown eyeliner to really give it a little bit of sultriness, because that is important when I do underneath my eyes. I tend to like everything to just be super dramatic under there. So yeah. For my lips, I'm going in with Urban Cafe from NYX, which is a slide-on glide-on pencil that I absolutely adore, and this NYX Lingerie lip color, which is so beautiful and so mask perfect because it doesn't rub off. So thank you guys so much for watching this. This video has come to an end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. Till my next video, stay beautiful.